Next up, we don't talk about Bruno.
We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. But it was my wedding day. We were getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky. Bruno walked in with a mischievous grin. You telling this story or am I? I'm sorry, maybe to go on. Bruno says it looks like rain. Why did he tell us? In doing so, he floods my brain. I get the umbrella. Married in a hurricane. What a joyous day, but anyway, we don't talk about Bruno. No, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
Yeah, I thought my timing was not that great, but we'll just keep it going.